Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable ambient display on Oneplus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on wallpapers and style. Now here click on always on display and turn on always on display button, and after turning on always on display button, scroll down and from here choose which display you want to see on your lock screen, and then create your pattern. And after creating your pattern, click on this tick icon. And after that you can choose different colors of your clock, and after that click on apply. Now when you go back and open your lock screen, it will show that ambient display. So that's how you can enable ambient display on OnePlus mobile. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.